Safecap is a triple mylar-wrapped capillary tube designed with the safety of the healthcare worker in mind. Safecap tubes contain vented plugs that seal automatically on contact with blood. The plug transforms a conventional capillary tube into a safe, simple, multifunctional device to handle blood. This unique collection tube eliminates the risks and hazards associated with manual sealing of conventional blood-filled tubes. If accidental breakage occurs, the mylar wrap minimizes exposure to blood-borne pathogens and glass fragments. Please adhere to the following steps when using Safecap. After performing the finger stick procedure with a lancet, take Safecap and place it up to the blood while ensuring the self-sealing plug is at the opposite end of the collection site. Make sure that the tube is held at a downward angle. This will allow capillary action to take place. Safecap will collect approximately 55 microliters of whole blood. Wipe outside of the tube with lint-free tissue to remove any blood. Once collection is complete, hold the tube vertically with plug end down, or insert the tube into the tube organizer tray. Allow blood to contact self-sealing plug for at least 30 seconds. Please note that failure to follow this step may result in leakage of the sample while centrifuging. Next, place the blood-filled tube into the centrifuge according to the operator's manual. Always place the sealed end toward the periphery. Now centrifuge for time recommended in operator's manual. Read the results. Remember to keep tubes capped and sealed in their vials when not in use. If normal filling of tubes is impaired by exposure to moist air, reseal the desiccant cap and allow 24 hours before reusing. The cap will dry the tubes and restore normal filling. Safecap has a shelf life of 24 months. And always remember, blood specimens may contain any number of blood-borne pathogens, including but not limited to hepatitis B or C virus or human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, and must always be handled as potential biohazards. Now that you have successfully followed the proper procedure for using Safecap, the following description will detail how to properly use SafePette to dispel the sample. All SafePette dispensers are equipped with a removable sheath mounted on the dispensing end. The sheath is designed to guide the capillary tube onto the dispenser locking mechanism. Place the protective sheath onto the dispenser by pressing and twisting the cylindrical sheath onto the dispenser end until the sheath is nearly flush with the black ejector ring. Now, to load Safecap into SafePette, pull back on the black ejector ring while holding the capillary tube between your thumb and forefinger with the sealed end facing the dispenser. Gently push the tube into the dispenser. The dispenser will automatically grab the capillary tube and spring lock it into place. Finally, expel the desired volume of fluid by slowly depressing the plunger. Release the plunger when the operation is completed. Eject the spent tube using one of these two options. 1. Aim the capillary tube into an approved hazardous waste container. Grasp the black ejector ring with your thumb and index finger and pull back toward the plunger end of the dispenser. The spent tube will automatically eject for the dispenser. The dispenser is now ready to accept the next sample. Dispenser maintenance should be performed daily when the dispenser is in constant use or immediately following the accidental tube breakage. 1. Remove the sheath by grasping the black ring of the dispenser with one hand while twisting and pulling the sheath in the other hand. 2. Slide the black ring toward the plunger end to open the capillary tube locking mechanism. 3. Gently tap the dispensing end onto a hard surface to remove any glass particles that may be lodged in the dispenser tip. 4. Wrap a tissue or gauze pad around the tip of the dispenser to contain overspray when lubricating. 5. Insert one end of the red straw in the lubricant spray nozzle. Lubricate the dispenser by inserting the other end of the red straw into the tip of the dispenser and apply a quick squirt of aerosol CRC 56. Only a small amount is required. 6. Wipe excess lubricant from the exterior of the dispenser tip with the tissue or gauze pad. 7. After lubricating the dispenser, rinse the sheath with warm tap water and remount it on the dispenser. No waiting is required before use.